welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. First things first, let's subscribe if we haven't done so. Ring that bell so that whenever I post a new video, you're always updated. Today we are headed back to Durban. The number of times I've been to Durban, oh my gosh, I've lost count. Anyway, today's video is about romantic things or like fun things to do as couples when you are in Durban. I lived here for a year and I didn't do any of these activities. Make sure you don't make that same mistake. Okay, first activity, visit uShaka Marine World. There's a lot of activities to do over there, but for now, here's what we got up to. The dolphin show. Visit the aquarium. It's also inside uShaka Marine World, quite easy to get to, right next to where you watch the dolphin show, but you can ask the staff around. They're very nice and you'll get to it. Virtual reality. Oh my gosh. This you can find inside of uShaka. I forgot how much we paid for it, but whatever the price was, it was not worth all of that. It was the first time I was experiencing virtual reality and probably the last, because I had never been that freaked out before. One. And two, I was so nauseous, so much that when I got off that seat, I wanted to throw up. But it is something that I wish everybody would experience. And I'm curious to know how everybody else feels about it. If you have tried virtual reality, please leave a comment. Tell me how you felt. Tell me how you feel about it and what you'd recommend. Should or should we not hop onto that chair? And go-karting. This is a favorite for my husband and I. Every time we get the chance to go go-karting, we do. I think there's videos of some of our go-karting experiences right here on the channel. I'll leave the links down below. So this service you will find at Gateway in Umhlanga. We paid 150 rands per person to ride for 8 minutes. And the wonderful thing is you can take as many laps as you want, because it essentially relies on how fast you're driving. But they can control the carts from wherever they are, and there's like a speed limit to each cart. So yeah, once you start going over, they will literally slow down your car. I experienced it, trust me. What a thrilling experience. And now the results. My husband came out number 1. There he is, JP. And I came out number 4. There you see me, MJ. This always happens. He beats me all the time. Another fun activity for couples to do together is cycling, which you can find at South Beach. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get to it because of the weather and a whole lot of other things. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please catch up on some of my videos right here on my channel, and please subscribe. Mwah!